Hello again everyone. Today we have a 2022 Toyota Highlander and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove the wiper blades. It's pretty easy on this vehicle. All you do is grab a hold of the wiper arm, pull it up towards you. This is the driver's side. It's a 26-inch blade and the passenger side is smaller at 18 inches. So if you could see right here, there's this black plastic piece. You need to pop this up. Okay, we have to pop this black plastic cover up, just like that. Now this allows you to remove the wiper blade from the wiper arm, and all you do is pull it down towards the windshield and just remove it. These are the standard J-hook style wiper arms. Just be careful, don't let it go because it'll swing down and potentially chip your windshield. And to install a new wiper blade, take it like so and just push up towards the sky like that, and then snap the clip back on, and that is good to go. Same thing with the other side. Okay, now for the rear wiper blade, there's a little trick to this one. So if you look right here, there's a black plastic cover. What you need to do is pull it, and that allows you to swing the wiper arm up, and then you can take the blade and gently pull it out like so. This is what it looks like. And then to reinstall your blade, insert the blade like this, and it will pivot down. See under here, that just slides up inside there. So apply pressure, and it goes up into place. Swing the wiper arm down on the windshield, and then be sure to close this. If you don't open this up, you won't be able to lift the wiper arm up. That's why we do that. Close that, and then that's it. That's all the wiper arm will travel. That's why you can't get the blade off unless you open this up. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. Hit that like button. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Remember, the driver's side's 26 inches and the passenger side's 18 and the rear is 10 inches. I'll have all the info up in the description. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.